Today, let's learn on stay updated on the industry trends and innovations through continuous learning. Awesome! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Farah, your dedicated real estate business coach, and in this video, I'm going to reveal the secrets of staying updated on industry trends and innovations. Buckle up, because this information have transformed my life and many of my coaches and clients' real estate businesses and will turbocharge and change the trajectory of your real estate businesses too. Today I am super excited to share with you these concepts. Well, why is staying updated on industry trends and innovations through continuous learning is most important, and how to stay updated on industry trends and innovation through continuous learning, and what all the 12 secrets to stay updated on industry trends and innovations through continuous learning. Okay. You can implement the learnings to turbocharge your real estate businesses, which will transform you into a true market expert and get ahead of the competition as a real estate professional agent. Before we begin, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If already subscribed, then hit on the bell icon to get notified of the new videos so you never miss any of my empowering real estate business mentoring videos. Alright, let's dive right in. From now onwards, I want you to take a digital notes, open your notepad or in a new window, Google Doc or Google Drive, and keep taking digital notes. I will tell you what to do with these notes to get you gift worth of 4,999 at this very end of this video. Okay. Let's dive in and see what it is. So, why staying updated on industry trends and innovations is the most important. Okay, let me share this with the real life examples from the journey of one remarkable real estate agent in India. Well, also discuss the practical steps that you can take to follow up their footsteps and stay ahead of the ever evolving real estate industry. Let's meet Priya, our real estate star. Meet Priya, and a passionate real estate agent from Mumbai. She started her career with the big dreams and a small list of properties, but she knew that success in this field requires constant learning and adaptation because of due to. In this number one I have is the changing landscape. Yes, Preeti noticed how the real estate landscape was rapidly changing. Okay, technology, market dynamics and clients' expectations were evolving. She realized that to thrive in this business, she had to keep up with these changes. And number two, I have the power of continuous learning. Okay, Preeti committed to continuous learning. She attended workshops, webinars, and industry events. She even subscribed to a real estate magazines, read blogs, and follow the thoughts of the leader in social media to thrive in your business, which is essential. Okay, in this number three, I have is technology disruptions. Yes, technology was one area where Preeti knew she had to excel. Okay, she adopted property management software, learned about virtual reality tours, and leveraged social media to reach a broader audience so that her business is never disrupted, and chosen to be innovate herself and innovated into real estate agency. Number four I have is to provide value to clients with her newfound knowledge and tech savviness. Okay, Preeti was not only selling property, she was providing value to her clients. She could offer insights, data-driven decisions, and innovation solutions. Okay, number five I have is to thrive in a competitive market. The real estate market is highly competitive, but Preeti's dedications on staying updated gave her an edge. Clients started to seek her out for her market trend expertise. Okay, and then number six I have is it's a path to success. Okay, now it's your turn to reach the heights of success like Preeti. Okay, embrace continuous learning, stay curious, adapt to changes, and use the latest tools and trends to your advantages. Okay, your clients will thank you for it. Remember, the real estate industry doesn't stand still. Okay, and neither you should. Keep learning, keep growing, and become the go-to real estate agent in the region, just like Preeti. Okay, now let's dive into how to stay updated on the industry trends and innovations through continuous learning. Let's kick things off with the fascinating real life stories of dedicated real estate agent in India who understood the value of staying in the know. Okay, I will then walk you through with the practical steps that you can take to follow their footsteps. Okay, in this number one I have is learning platforms. Okay, start by exploring various learning platforms. There are countless resources available online, from real estate podcasts and YouTube channels to online courses and webinars. Find platforms that resonate with your learning style. If you're really sincere and committed, then you must check out myrealtorsacademy.com and Flourish Realtors Hub and join our VIP membership. We'll talk about end of this video. Alright, number two I have is online courses and webinars. Okay, consider enrolling in online courses and webinars specially designed for real estate professionals. Okay, these offer structured in-depth knowledge and often provide certificates upon completions. You can even check when is my next webinar and enroll once. I promise you that I will get you the best value and key takeaways at the end of the 90 minutes webinar. I will share the link in the description box below. And number three I have is books and publications. Yeah, don't underestimate the power of good old-fashioned book. Real estate literature can provide timeless insights. Subscribe to industry publication and magazines to stay informed about the latest trend. And then number four I have is networking and industry events. Yes, attend real estate industry events, seminars and conferences. Okay, not only will you learn from experts, but also you will network with peers. Sharing experiences and insights can incredible value. You must check out my Flourish Realtor Club for networking and building meaningful connections. And then number five I have is real estate associations. Okay, join real estate associations and groups both locally and nationally. Okay, these organizations often host workshops and provide access to valuable resources including market reports and updates. Again, you can consider for this too my Flourish Realtors Club. And then number six I have is set learning goals. Okay, establish learning goals for yourself. Decide what you want to learn and achieve within the set of time frame. Okay, this can help you stay motivated and on track. Okay, number seven I have is market analysis tools. Invest in market analysis tools and software that can provide you the up-to-date market data and insight. Understanding market dynamics is crucial for success. And number eight I have is be adaptable. Okay, be open to change. The real estate industry is ever evolving. Embrace new technologies and innovative approaches. Don't be afraid to pivot your strategies based on the latest insights. Okay, and number nine I have is regular view and apply. Okay, finally make learning an ongoing process. Regularly reviews that you have learned and apply it in your real estate practices. The knowledge you gain is only valuable when you put into action. It's transformative. Okay, by following these steps you can proactively stay updated on industry trends and innovation in real estate sector, ensuring your success as a real estate agent in India. Okay, now let's dive into the top 12 secrets of staying updated on industry trends and innovations through continuous learning. Okay, to succeed in this industry, you must embrace continuous learning and also should know the secret to stay updated on industry trends and innovations. But don't worry, I'm here to make it very simple and exciting. Let's get started. Okay, in the secret number one I have is the mentor connection. The first secret is finding a mentor. Okay, imagine having your Yoda in the real estate LIC. A mentor offers your wisdom, guidance, and shortcuts you wouldn't find in textbooks. Okay, the mentor connections will be your guiding star to stay updated on industry trends and innovations. So stick around, because we are about to dive into a journey of real estate agent who went from good to great with the help of a mentor. In this step number 1 I have is finding the right guidance. The first step on this journey is finding the right guide, your mentor. Okay, picture it's enlisting everyone cannot be ha ha ha. Okay, for example, let's take Mr. Ravi, a budding real estate agent who found seasoned mentor. Okay, and then step 2 is identifying your needs. Okay, after connecting with the mentor, it's time to identify your specific needs. In Mr. Ravi's case, he wanted to hone his negotiation skills, and his mentor, Mrs. Nandini, was an expert in this arena. Okay, number 3 I have is setting clear goals. Without goals, you will drift. The third step involving setting clear objectives. Mr. Ravi's goal was to double his sales within a year, and this clarity drove his journey. Okay, and then step 4 I have is learning and applying knowledge. Okay, now it's time for action from your mentor. Learn from your mentor and apply that knowledge. Mr. Ravi attended negotiation sessions with Mrs. Nandini and began applying these skills in his deals. Okay, and then step 5 I have is seeking feedback and guidance. The journey is not solitary. Seek feedback and guidance from your mentor. Mr. Ravi frequently discussed his deals with Mrs. Nandini, learning from every discussion. Step 6 I have is celebrating achievements. Yes, finally celebrate your achievement. In Mr. Ravi's case, he secured his high value deals using this refined negotiation skills. Okay, he celebrated his success, boosting his confidence. By following the mentor connection process just like Ravi did, you will find your path to success in staying updated on industry trends and innovations. So are you ready to find your mentor and pave the way of your thriving real estate career? Share in the comment box. And then secret number 2 I have is niche knowledge. Okay, think of a niche knowledge as your secret weapon in the vast sea of real estate. Specialization in a niche or you're passionate about, okay, you'll become the go-to expert in no time. Let's dive deep into the world of niche knowledge and how it is the secret sauce of staying updated on industry trends and innovation. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, and today you have got 6 steps. And then I have step number 1 is find your passion. Now, the first step is developing niche knowledge in finding your passion. Okay, just like your friend Raj, who had fascinated with the sustainable architecture, his passion drove him into explore innovative eco-friendly trends. Okay, step number 2 I have is deep dive into a niche. Okay, once you have found your passion, immerse yourself. Okay, research, read, watch, and attend events related to your niche. Okay, dive deep like Preeti, who become a luxury property expert by spending hours learning about opulent living. Okay, and then step 3 I have is connect with experts. Okay, you're not alone in your journey. Okay, connect with experts in your niche, chat with professionals, attend workshops, and learn from the best. Okay, just like Rahul did when he became to condo conversation guru. Okay, and then step 4 I have is showcase your expertise. Okay, your niche knowledge is a treasure. Share it with the world. Start a blog, create a videos, or conduct webinars. Let your expertise shine, just like Sarita, who educated her client about energy efficient homes. Okay, in this step number 5 I have is networking magic. Yeah, networking isn't it just for businesses, it's for learning. Okay, attend niche specific net events, join forums, and interact with others who share your passion. You will be surprised how much you can learn from folks like Ankur, who become a local historic property specialist through networking. And then step 6 I have is adapt and evolve. Okay, lastly, remember the real estate world evolves and you should, okay, stay updated on the latest trends and adapt your niche knowledge accordingly. Innovate just like Arjun, who transitioned from the commercial to virtual real estate in response to market changes. Okay, by following these 6 steps you can master niche knowledge and unlock the secret of staying updated on industry and trends and innovation. Just like these real estate agents, you can be a trendsetter in your niche. So take the first step today and watch your real estate journey transform. And then secret number 3 I have is mastering digital presences. Your online presences is crucial. Imagine it is like, as it is your digital business card. Okay, your strong online presences not only attracts clients but also keeps you updated on the digital trends. In this step 1 I have is building a strong online foundation. The first step is setting up on a strong online foundation, just like Preeti did. Okay, she built a professional website complete with her listings, expert insights and a blog showcasing the industry knowledge. Okay, this digital homes become the heart of his online presences. And the step 2 I have is engaging content creations. Yes, stepping 2 is all about the content. Preeti started creating engaging content. Okay, she's shared tips of the first time buyers, okay, market trend analysis and captivating property tours. Her content spoke differently to her audience needs and interest. Okay, and then step 3 I have is leveraging social media power. In the third step, Preeti took to social media. She utilizes platforms like Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. By sharing valuable content and engaging with our audience, and her reach exponentially. In this step 4 I have is develop an email marketing strategy. Okay, 4 was all about emails. Preeti understood the power of well-structured email marketing strategy. She went personalized newsletter, properties updates and market insights. Okay, this helped her nurture leads and keep clients informed. Okay, in this step 5 I have is embracing visual storytelling. Okay, step 5 visual storytelling. Preeti knew a picture is worth of 1,000 words. Okay, she uses a high quality photos and videos to showcase properties, creating an emotional connection with his audience. Okay, and her drone shots of stunning properties legendary. Okay, in this step 6 I have is monitor, analyze and adapt. Okay, the final step is critical. Preeti monitored and analyzed his digital presences. She used tools to track websites, traffic, social media engagement and email campaign results. If something did not work, she adapted her strategy. Okay, in the dynamic world of real estate, adaptability is a key. By following these 6 steps, just as Preeti did, okay, you too can master your digital presence and stay the forefront of industry trends and innovation. So start your day today and let your digital presences open new doors of opportunity in the real estate world. In this secret number 4 I have is learning from failures. Yes, don't fear failures, embrace it. Okay, each flop is a stepping stone to success. Learn from your stumbles, adapt and come back stronger. Okay, step 1 in this is embrace failure. Okay, our first step is to embrace failure. Let's take the example of Ravi, okay, a real estate agent in Mumbai. He tried a new digital marketing approach that did not yield results. Okay, he, instead of giving up, he embraced it as a learning opportunity. In this step 2 I have is reflect and analyze. Okay, after a failure it is important to reflect and analyze. Ravi went back to the drawing board and dissected what went wrong and why. This introspections helped him uncover valuable insights. And then step 3 I have is adjust and approach. Once you have identified what did not work, it's time to adjust your approach. Okay, Ravi learned that his digital marketing strategy was too broad and he decided to narrow his focus to a specific niche. Okay, in this step 4 I have seek guidance. Okay, don't hesitate to seek guidance. Ravi reached out to a mentor who guided him through the process of refining approach. Okay, learning from those who have been there can save your time and resources. And then step 5 I have is implement changes. Okay, the next step is implement the changes. Ravi updated his digital marketing strategy with his lesson learned. He executed a refined plan with confidence. Okay, and this number 6 I have is monitor and adapt. Okay, finally continuously monitor and adapt. Ravi did not stop after making changes. He kept a close eye on the result, tweaked things when needed, and ensured the stay on the path to success. By following these 6 steps like Ravi, you can learn from your failures, stay updated on industry trends, and adapt to that ever-changing real estate landscape. Remember, failures are the end. Okay, they are the stepping stones to success. Keep pushing forward. And then secret number 5 I have is building clients relationship. Build relationship is more than just transaction. Okay, clients remember the experiences. The secret, treat them like a family and they will be your loyal advocates. Okay, we are going to explore a 6 steps process that not only vital for building strong client relationship but also a fantastic way to stay updated on the latest trends, industry trends and innovations. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's dive in then. Step number 1 I have is the client-centric mindset. Our first step is embracing the client-centric mindset. Okay, think about your clients first. Okay, to get to know them. Okay, understand their goals and watch how they guide you toward the latest trends by their desire and concerns. Okay, in the step 2 I have is open and honesty communications. Okay, open and honesty communication is your key. Listen actively, ask questions and make your clients feel heard. Okay, through this conversation you will gather insight about what's important to them in today's real estate landscape. And then step 3 I have is tailored situation. Okay, every client is unique and so their needs. Okay, tailored situation aren't just about finding the right property, they are about offering valuable advice and strategies that align with the latest trend. And then step 4 I have is be their knowledge hub. Yeah, imagine becoming your client's knowledge hub. Share valuable content, news and updates about the real estate market. Your ability to educate and inform them will position you as the industry expert. And then step 5 I have is consistent follow up. Yeah, don't just disappear after the sale. Consistent follow ups are the golden rules. Touch base regularly, check on how they are doing and discuss any necessary market updates or trends. Okay, and then step 6 I have is long term vision. Okay, finally think long term. Building clients relationship is it just for one transaction? It's for lifetime. By nurturing these relationships, you will receive ongoing feedback about the ever-changing needs and evolving industry. Now let me share a real-life example. Meet Raj, a real estate dynamo. Consider Raj an Indian real estate agent. Okay, Raj is a pro at building client relationship. One day, Raj sold a property to a young couple. Over a time, he stayed in touch, understanding their evolving needs. As their family grew, they needed a larger home and Raj was right there to assist. By maintaining a client-centric approach and keeping communication to open, Raj not only secured repeated businesses but also gained invaluable insights into a changing trends and market dynamics. By following these 6 steps and taking a page on Raj's book, you will master the art of building a client relationship while staying updated on the latest industry trends and innovations. Your clients will appreciate your dedications and your real estate career will thrive. And then secret number 6 I have is the data whisperer. Numbers tell story. Okay, becoming a data whisperer means understanding market trends and clients behavior through a data analysis. It's your crystal ball for real estate. Okay, we will uncover the 6 steps to becoming a pro at decoding industry data to stay ahead of the curve. Just like our very own real estate dynamo from India, Ravi, who mastered these steps. Okay, let's embark on the data driven journey. Okay, in this step number 1 I have is data mining master. Okay, to start you must become a data miner extraordinaire. Okay, much like Ravi, those who score those market data, customers behavior and regional trends. The key is to collect the right data from the right sources. Okay, step 2 I have is data analysis wizard, right? Okay, once you have got your treasure trove of data, it's time to analyze it. Okay, this is where the magic happens, just like that. Turned raw numbers into insights. Okay, apply analytical tools, spot patterns and unveil the hidden gems within your data. And then step 3 I have is tech toolbox. Okay, your toolbox needs tech. Okay, Ravi embraced technology like a pro, invested in analytic tools and software to make data analysis a breeze. Okay, you don't need to be a tech guru, you just have to be tech savvy. Okay, and number 4 you should be knowing is how to storytellings. Okay, storytellings numbers alone won't cut it. Ravi knew how to craft data into stories. Okay, you need to communicate the insights effectively to clients and peers. Numbers are your canvas, storytelling is your art. And then step 5 I have is learning loop. Becoming a data whisperer, it's a journey. Okay, it's not a destination. Ravi made learning a lifestyle. Stay updated with the new data trends and technologies. Attended workshops, webinars and courses to stay at the forefront of the data analytics. In this number 6 I have is market insights integrations. The final step is all about making data work for you. Okay, like Ravi turned the insights into action, use them to tailor your marketing strategies, understand your clients better and even predict market trends. Data isn't just information, it's your power tool. By mastering these 6 steps, just like our real estate rockstar Ravi, you too can become a data whisperer, decode data, understand market trends and stay ahead in the real estate game. It's time to unleash the data magician in you. Well, here is a twist. Since there are secrets, what I've thought for you is I wanted to really help you from bottom of my heart. Since these are secrets, I have thought I would share these in private for you in my VIP membership. All you have to do is find the link VIP membership in the description box below and click on it. You will get free access to my VIP membership, to join, Flourish Realtors Club worth 4,999. It's absolutely free for you as you stay in. Here is the watching video. So far it means you are committed. So I wanted to help you, committed to people, as I am on a mission to help 10 million people create financially freedom and independence by building a world-class real estate agency. Okay, find the link VIP membership in the description below box and I see you on the other side. I have crafted these 12 secrets with step-by-step application and with an implementation framework in for you. Do join my community to learn more about these strategies and hundreds of strategies like this to build a thriving real estate businesses at the cost that is unimaginable with potential growth. Details are shared at the end of this video. Well, we have almost come to an end of this video. These secrets, when implemented together, will empower you as a top-notch real estate professional agent in India to becoming a true market expert and provide exceptional services to your clients. Do share it with your loved ones. Share it in the comment box, your key takeaways in details. Okay, share your digital notes below for a few points here. Okay, if you really want to learn fast and learn with the community, then you must check out my VIP membership, as I had explained, to join my fastest growing real estate agent community that can transform your life and businesses along with many other like-minded real estate experts. The VIP membership is worth rupees 4,999 and it is absolutely for you as you are here. It consists of coaches, courses, coaching and community. So find the link in the below description and enroll yourself into a VIP membership to mastermind and network with like-minded communities. Well, those were the secrets to apply for your real estate success and becoming a true market expert in Indian real estate landscape. There are many I have shared in my advanced level implementation and coaching sessions. Remember, applying those strategies will elevate your real estate businesses to a new heights and benefit your clients immensely. So if you have found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your fellow real estate agents in India. Hit on the bell icon to get notified of the new videos. Together we will build a thriving real estate businesses and make a positive impact in the Indian real estate market. I am here to support you on your journey to success. Let's build thriving real estate businesses together. Until next time, take care and happy real estating. I am Farah, your real estate business coach.